Monyé, for those that don't know, and I'm doing a quick video on how to make your life feel luxurious on a budget. So I hope you enjoy. Try to save your money for one big or kind of big splurge a month. So for me, this is Fenty Skin. I love the cookies and clean face mask and the skincare products and makeup, but it could be anything else. It depends on how much you're making and whatnot, but it's definitely good to at least have something to look forward to and to treat yourself to. Try to plan 1 or 2 or 3 things a month to look forward to. It honestly makes your life feel so much better. My sister and I one afternoon took a little trip to DC, which is pretty convenient for us, but we metroed into the city and found this little garden area, and it was $7 for each of us. We found $5 pizzas on the side of the road, and it was a fun night, and we literally didn't even spend $15. Another time, my friends and I, sometimes we like to plan for a weekend trip together, and it's nice when you go with friends because you can split the cost. So there are a few clips from us hanging out. So fun, and it makes your life feel great. Being intentional about my slower mornings and evenings has helped me so much. Sometimes after I get off of work, I like to go to a local bookstore and just read the books and, find some new books to read. I also like to dabble in other things. I like to go for walks with my sister. I like to play the guitar sometimes. Anything that brings me a little bit of peace is what I like to implement into my evening and morning routines. So I'm happy to give you guys an updated morning routine because the last one I did was a lot more stressful than how I start my mornings now. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned, and I'm happy to film that. Come on, Pepper. We're not gonna take a video of him going pee. Aww. My next suggestion is to say yes to new things or random plans. What's in my gym bag? I'm in my sister's room because her lighting is so good. My yoga mat, because I don't know, something about doing yoga on mats that people have used over and over again, kind of nasty. My Hydro Flask, and my keys and my phone. I don't bring anything to my class because you know why? I don't need anything. So, and then my outfit, this shirt, these sweatpants, and I'm wearing Crocs because the shoes come off. So, I thought I saw a bug. It's 89 degrees right now, and people are out here jogging, I tell you. Okay, let's go for real. I have been loving gym classes, which was honestly out of my comfort zone, but I started off with my sister, and I've been taking classes by myself, and I love it. It's so fun, and I feel like working out in a group immediately makes you feel like luxurious a little bit, because I hear of the soccer moms, and they'll be like, the kids are doing this and that, and it makes me feel so put together, and then just working out with the group is so much more fun. So my sister and I did a barre class together at some point. I want to keep going to that, but I haven't been back since this video. I did a short video on this, so check it out on my channel, and it was really fun, a little nerve-wracking. It doesn't have to be just classes, by the way. It can be dinner on a Wednesday night. It can be whatever you want, but say yes to new things. Wow, that is... One of the last things I would say is clean during the week rather than saving it all to clean during the weekend. I know it's convenient and nobody wants to clean after they get off of work, but I tell you, it saves so much time on the weekend, so I can actually do more of the stuff that I like. this. This video was super quick, but I hope you all loved it and got some inspiration from it. If you would like to see more, please, of course, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all soon. Bye.